Hi guys, this is Tanvi. I am a social media marketer and a womanpreneur business coach. So I am a social media marketer since the past 2 years now, and I have helped various brands build a strong online presence. But I always had one mission in mind, which was to help and reach out every woman in business who are struggling to grow their business online. But I was somewhere unable to put this into action. But then I made one of the best decisions of my life, which was to enroll in AADME under Alok sir's guidance. Alok sir helped me in every step. He guided me to make a system wherein now I help these womenpreneurs through my coaching and courses and consultation services. Not only this, the cherry on the cake for me was I was able to upskill my social media marketing skills through the internship and the LMS, which without a doubt is one of the Asia's biggest learning management system. I would like to thank AADME, Alok sir, and the entire team for this transformational journey that I have experienced. Thank you.